Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent chain and principal functional group. The molecule contains a ketone, C is equal to O group. One side of the carbonyl is an aryl group, substituted benzene ring, and the other side is an aliphatic chain. For an aryl ketone, we treat the aryl group as a substituent and name the compound as an aryl alkanone, or we can name it as a phenyl ketone. The IUPAC approach: find the longest carbon chain including the carbonyl carbon on the aliphatic side. The chain on the aliphatic side is CH2CH2CH, Br, CH3, which is 4 carbons. Including the carbonyl carbon itself makes 5 carbons total, pentan, 1-1 backbone. Step 2. Number the chain. The carbonyl carbon is C1, so the chain is C1 is equal to O, C2H2, C3H2, C4H, Br, C5H3. This gives a pentan, 1-1 backbone. Step 3. Identify substituents on the aliphatic chain. There is a bromine on C4 giving 4 bromopentan, 1-1 as the base aliphatic portion. Step 4. Identify the aryl substituent at C1. The benzene ring attached to C1 has 2 substituents, bromine and chlorine. Numbering the ring from the point of attachment, C1 of ring is equal to IChO, going around to minimize locants, Br is at position 3 and Cl is at position 4 of the phenyl ring. Thus the aryl group is 3-bromo-4-chlorophenyl. Step 5. Assemble the full name. The compound is 1,3-bromo-4-chlorophenyl, 4-bromopentan, 1-1, which by alphabetical ordering of substituents in the full name is written as 4-bromo-1,3-bromo-4-chlorophenyl, pentan, 1-1. Step 6. Verify ring substitution pattern. The bromine on the ring is meta to the carbonyl attachment and the chlorine is para to it, adjacent to Br, consistent with 3-bromo-4-chloro substitution. Therefore, the correct answer is 4-bromo-1,3-bromo-4-chlorophenyl, pentan, 1-1. The correct answer is shown on screen.